lot. Now shall I ask you the third question, ladies and gentlemen? The most poisonous three-lettered word which challenges the we. अरे क्या बात है, सब तो आप तो लाइफ्स अमेजिंग सीक्रेट्स पहले से ही जानते हैं सब. The three-lettered poisonous word which becomes such a challenge to cooperation and being we relationships is a big ego. And what a big ego! God, what a big ego people have. You know, such an air around the head for what they do. All relationships have problem because of ego. With spouses, with friends, with parents, with colleagues. All relationships issues, the we is threatened by this three-lettered word called ego. बड़ा भयंकर है नहीं ये शब्द? Big time. हरे कृष्णा. Religion में ego छूटता है? One religious man is thinking I'm better than you, the other religious man is thinking I'm better than you. What the heck? What the hell is going on here in this world? Where every other field, if ego is shown, we understand that people are not yet purified, people are not yet learned those higher things. In the field of religion, if people become a victim of ego and have communal conflicts, God, how shallow. How if we only understood that we're dealing with that same Father, that same God, and would be able to resolve this communal riots and this communal conflicts, which are all caused by nothing but a massive ego. God doesn't teach any of those things. We get blown up because of our practice and we start thinking this is the best. And goodness, the world has witnessed so many conflicts. Relationships fall apart only because of these ego. क्यों? सॉरी नहीं बोल सकते. क्यों नहीं सॉरी बोल सकते? SORRY, मैजिक वर्ड है ये. When genuinely spoken from the heart, this word is a magic word. When you say a sorry to someone, that doesn't mean you are wrong. That just means you value the person more than being right. It doesn't mean you are wrong. कभी किसी को सॉरी बोला इसका मतलब आप गलत हो गए नहीं. You prefer to save the person than being right. You prefer the relationship more than being right. You are willing to keep the ego aside and transform that ego into humility. To say ठीक है, आपका गधा आगे मेरा घोड़ा पीछे. आपका गधा है मेरा घोड़ा है, लेकिन आपका गधा आगे मेरा घोड़ा पीछे. You know, when a man who says sorry when he's wrong is called honest. A man who says sorry when he's not sure is called wise. When we learn to be a servant in our attitude and serve others, transforming into humility, a lot of relationships are saved. A lot of conflicting situations come only because of the ego. And therefore, the most poisonous three-lettered word which threatens the we is ego. What should we do? We should transform it. Transform it into real ego, where we are willing to bend down. झुकिए, झुकना सीखिए. जब तक झुकना नहीं सीखेंगे ना, तब तक रिश्तों को बनाए रखना असंभव है.